welcome back to my channel and welcome to Sunday morning. Yes, it is Sunday morning and it's early. It's not even 6:30 yet, but we're going to make some muffins for breakfast, and so I thought I'd take you along and have you make the muffins with me. Actually, what we're going to do is an experiment. I don't know if you remember, but we have made pancakes before on my channel using muffin mix. You know, those little, I think Martha White is the name, has muffin mixes where you can use that for pancake batter, and it makes great pancakes, all different flavors. So I thought to myself, if I can make pancakes out of muffin mix, why can't I make muffins out of pancake mix? So I'm going to give it a try. I have a lot of peaches that I have peeled and chopped, very ripe peaches. My son and his wife have a tree, and you know, with any fruit tree or a lot of fruit trees, everything comes to fruition at the same time. And the tree was loaded with peaches. So they've made peach salsa, peach sauce, peach jam, and they have frozen peaches. But I also got some, and we've used them for fresh eating, and I have some in a pan here that I'm going to have to put in the freezer because I don't want to lose them, but they're getting a little bit too soft. So I'm going to try making some peach muffins using a pancake mix. Let's see what happens. I'm going to take you down to the counter first. Hold on. Okay, the first thing I'm making is a little bit of a streusel topping. In here I have 1/3 of a cup of brown sugar, 2/3 of a cup of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter melted, and some cinnamon. And we're just going to mix this up. I put 1 tablespoon of white sugar too, because that's what the recipe said for streusel. Haven't any idea why. Okay, so you can see that. We're going to set that aside. And here I have a container of peaches. And I'm going to get me a good cup. Now I'm going to take my potato masher. If I can get this in a better picture here. Hold on a second. I think that's good. And squish them up. Now, this has a lot of juice in it, peaches do. I'm going to add a few more. So I'm going to take a paper towel and see if I can get some of this juice out of here, because we don't want all of this juice. Okay. All right, so now to that, I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon, about a teaspoon. One egg. And I'm going to start with a cup of pancake mix. And I've got this Kodiak mix right now. You can use any kind you've got. And let's see what the consistency is with this. Actually, that's looking pretty good right there. You see? And that's it. Now, I have this pan. This is the most ridiculous pan I ever had in my life. It's a silicone pan, but it won't stay in little cupcakes. It keeps popping out of them. So let me just, it's a mini pan. So we're going to see if we can get some mini cupcakes. They may be kind of odd shaped from the shape the pan gets in, but you'll get the idea. That's a little large. Okay, let me just get a spatula and get a few more out. Whoop. Okay. Let me rinse my hands. And now we'll put a little streusel on them. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm going to put these in the oven at 350 and we'll see what we shall see. Back when they're out. Well, there they are, right out of the oven. They look okay. They're a little wonky shaped because of the pan. And they're very, very hot. They should be cooling a bit before we try to eat them. But I'm going to try to get a taste of one for you. Hold on, we'll come on up. It's hot. Good. Can you see the consistency? Mmm. Mmm. They are good. You do need to have the streusel on the top because the pancake batter is plain. But it's good. Now you can do the same thing with bananas, but you wouldn't want it, maybe not a streusel. You could put chocolate chips in it. And you know, like you mash up your bananas if you're going to make banana bread. But yes, you can use a pancake mix to make muffins. When you're in a hurry, they didn't take long to put together. So, I hope give it a try. I'm now going to go have breakfast and I'll probably have a couple more. So I'll see you again on Wednesday for craft day. Until then, have a great afternoon, morning, night, whatever it is for you. Stay warm, dry, safe. And everybody play nice now. Love ya. Bye-bye.